Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. So what we discussed in the last class, chapter number 11, mensuration. In that we discussed in the last class a derivation to find the area of rhombus, trapezium, and a derivation to find the area of a general form of a quadrilateral, and two examples we have studied. And today we are going to discuss one more quadrilateral named as rhombus. How to find area of a rhombus? What is the formula to find area of a rhombus? We will derive a formula. It is quite similar to the general form of a quadrilateral. Now, what is a rhombus? We have come across in third chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. A rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal, that is, adjacent sides are equal. What about angles? Opposite angles are equal. And what about the diagonals? The diagonals are not equal, that is, they are unequal in length, but the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. The diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. Now we are going to use this concept, the property of rhombus, that the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. That concept we are going to use to derive a formula to find area of a rhombus. So let us consider a rhombus named as ABC is ABCD is a rhombus, a simple figure, rhombus. So this is a rhombus. A, B, C, D is a rhombus in which all the sides are equal. So to find area of this rhombus, draw its diagonals. We have studied diagonal AC. We will divide the rhombus into two triangles, two congruent triangles or two triangles. You see here, that is triangle ABC and triangle ABC. Now area of rhombus ABCD is equals to area of rhombus ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. That concept. So draw the other diagonal also, that is BD. Now what is BD? BD is bisecting AC, two equal parts, and also AC will bisect BD into two equal parts. Two equal parts. And it is they intersect each other at O. Now OD is perpendicular to AC. OD is perpendicular to AC. Similarly, OB is also perpendicular to AC. Consider this triangle. Which triangle it is? A triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC, where AC is the base and OB is the altitude or the perpendicular. Similarly, consider the triangle ADC, where DO is the altitude. By joining OD and OB, what we get? The diagonal BD. The diagonal BD. Let you consider diagonal AC as D1, first diagonal, and BD as the second diagonal. Now, from the figure, you take this as what? OD, and this is BD. So from the figure, let AC is equals to D1 units, that is diagonal 1, and BD is equals to D2 units, diagonal 2. D2 is diagonal 2, length of second diagonal and length of first diagonal. Now area of rhombus ABCD. Area of rhombus ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. What is the formula to find area of a triangle? Yes, it is half into base into height square units. That is half into base of triangle ABC. This is AC is the base, OB is the altitude, that is AC into OB plus area of triangle ADC is again half into base is equals to AC and height is equals to OD, that is AC into OD square units that is equals to what we can take common here, half is there common, AC is there common, take the common things, half into AC, then what is left here is OB plus OD square units that is equals to half into AC into OB plus OD, length of OB plus length of OD. By adding these two lengths, what we get? The second diagonal BD square units that is half into AC is equals to what it is D1 and BD is equals to what it is D2 square units. So in words what we can say that it is the half of the product of lengths of two diagonals. Half of the product of lengths of two diagonals is the area of a rhombus, that is half into D1 into D2 square units, where D1 is the length of D1 and D2 are the lengths of two diagonals. Is it clear, children? Area of a rhombus is half into D1 into D2. Now we will discuss an example. Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters. The two diagonals, their lengths are given. So let D1 is equals to 12 centimeters and D2 is equals to 8 centimeters. Now area of rhombus is equals to what is the formula? It is half into D1 into D2 square units. Now substitute this values, half into D1 is equals to 12 into D2 is equals to 8 square centimeters. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, that is 1 into 6 it is 6, 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48 square centimeters is the area of the given rhombus. Now similarly, if you want to find the area of polygons having more than 4 sides, for example, you take a pentagon. How to find the area of this pentagon? Pentagon means having 5 sides. How do you find area of this pentagon? It is, we can find it by dividing this pentagon into two trapeziums. We can find area of these two trapeziums. Their sum will give you area of the given pentagon. Similarly, if you want, we can also use by converting this as one triangle and one rectangle. We can find its area. If it is a hexagon is there with the 6 sides, how do we find its area? So this again we can divide like this: two triangles and one rectangle. We can find the area of polygons like more than 4 sides. We will make them to divide into triangles and squares, triangles and rectangles, triangles and it is a trapezium, and we can find the areas of those polygons. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we will discuss exercise number 11.2, 7th question. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters in length. So a floor is there, a building floor is there, and it is made up of, it is consisting of 3000 tiles, and the shape of the tiles it is rhombus shape, and whose diagonals are given 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters are the diagonals in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor. That floor is to be polished, so he has to be charged. How they are charging? If the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So what is the total cost? What we have to do? Find the area of the floor. Find the area of the floor in meter square. Then if it is multiplied by 4, we get the total cost of the polishing. So find the area of the floor. Floor, we don't know what is the shape of the floor, and we don't know the measurements of that floor, but that floor is consisting of 3000 tiles of rhombus shaped, and their diagonals are given 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So here the area of the floor is nothing but sum of the areas of 3000 tiles. Sum of the areas of 3000 tiles will give the area of the floor. So we can find area of the floor by finding area of the 3000 tiles. How do we find area of 3000 tiles? First find area of one tile, then multiply with what it is 3000. So let you take this is a rhombus shaped tile whose diagonals are given here. Let this is the diagonal and this is one more diagonal. So diagonals, it is a tile. Its diagonals are given 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So here write the given data. Number of tiles is equals to 3000. So here tile measurements of the tiles a tile is D1, that is diagonal. Let D1 is equals to 45 centimeters and D2 is equals to 30 centimeters. Now find area of each tile. Area of each tile is equals to, the formula is half into D1 into D2 square units, where D1 and D2 are lengths of the two diagonals. That is half into D1 is equals to 45 into D2 is equals to 30 square centimeters. Now go for calculations. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 it is 1, then bring 0, 10, 2 fives are 10. Now multiply 1 into 45 into 15 square centimeters. So multiply 15 fives are 75, 7 is there carry. 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 7 is 675 square centimeters. 675 square centimeter is the area of each tile. Now area of 3000 tiles is equals to area of each tile 675 square centimeter. 675 square centimeter into number of tiles, that is 3000. So multiply with 3000, keep aside the 3 zeros, multiply with 3. 3 fives are, it is 15, 3 sevens are 21, plus 1 it is 22, 3 sixes are, it is 18, 18 plus 2 it is 20. Now we keep these zeros, we get in square centimeters. That is how much it is? 20 lakhs 25,000 square centimeters. Now what is the cost? Cost of polishing per meter square is equals to rupees 4, but our area we got it in square centimeters. Convert that area into what? Meter square. So how can you divide? How can you do that to get into meter square? Divide that with the 10,000. We know that 10,000 square centimeters is equals to 1 meter square. So you divide this with the 10,000. 20 lakhs 25,000 divided by 10,000. We will get in meter square. So 3 zeros and 3 zeros are cancelled. Now when we divide with 10, what we get? 202.5 meter square. 202.5 meter square is the area of the floor. That is 3000 here. Now area of the floor is equals to how much? It is nothing but the area of 3000 times is 202.5 meter square. Now total cost of polishing the floor, polishing the Polishing the floor is equals to area of the floor, that is 202.5 into 4 rupees. So how much you get? Multiply with 4. 4 5s are 20. Keep 0 and keep point. 2 is there. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, it is 10. So keep 0. 1 is there. 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 4 2s are 8. So how much it is? 810 rupees is the total cost of polishing the floor. So what we have to do here? The floor is given. It is made up of. It is consisting of 3000 tiles of rhombus shaped. So now area of that floor is equals to area of all the 3000 tiles. It is given in the rhombus shape. So find area of each tile using the area of the rhombus, that is half into d1 into d2. Then find area of 3000 tiles, that is nothing but what it is, area of the floor, that is multiplied with 4. We'll get area in square centimeters. Convert that into meter square. For that what we have to do? 1 meter square is equals to how much it is? 10,000 centimeter square. 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So by dividing with 10,000 we get a meter square. Then by multiplying with 4 we will get the total cost of polishing the floor, which is 810 rupees. Is it clear, children? Can we move to the next sum? Yes. Now we will find exercise number 11.2, 8th question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. So who is going to buy a field? It is Mohan. What is the shape of the field? It is a trapezium. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. What does it mean? The field is there between a road and the river. Between road and river, and the side along the river. So let this is the side. I am giving a name as A, B, C, D is the field. A, B, C, D is the trapezium side. Where AB is the side of the field along its river, and CD is the side of the field along the road. See this second statement. Its side means the trapezium shaped field side along the river is, that is AB is the side along the river. This side AB is parallel and twice this side along the road. Here AB is parallel to CD and AB is 2 times of the length of CD, or CD is half of the length of AB. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square, so area of the trapezium field is given 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between the 2 parallel sides is 100 meters. Find the length of the side along the river. Means length of AB we have to find here. Length of AB we have to find. So length of CD and length of AB we need to find. So if you find length of CD, we can find the length of AB. So what are given here is a trapezium shaped field is there, and here the side along the river is parallel to the side along the road, and the length of the side along the river is 2 times, that is double or twice the side along the road, and its area is given 10,500 meters square. Perpendicular distance is, it is 100 meters. It is an application of that question. Already we have come across this kind of question. That is the third question is there in the same exercise. So substitute all the values which are given in the question in the correct in the formula in the correct way. Then we can find the length of the side along the river. First write the given data. Area of the field is equals to area of the field. Area of the field is equals to 10,500 meter square. The perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. Two parallel sides is given. How much it is? 100 meters. It is nothing but the height. And area is given. Let CD is equals to x and AB is equals to 2 times of CD, that is 2 into x. 2x meters, and this is x meters. CD is equals to x meters and AB is equals to what it is? 2x meters. Now area of the trapezium field is equals to trapezium field is equals to trapezium field. So write the formula, that is equals to half into h into a plus b square units. That is half into h is altitude or the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, which is given. H is equals to 100 meters. A and B are both are the lengths of the two parallel sides, which are x is one and 2x is the other length. And the area is given. How much it is? 10,500 meters square. Now by substituting, therefore 10,500 meters square is equals to half into height is equals to what it is? It is 100 meters into A plus B. Here A is equals to what? The two parallel sides I am taking. A is equals to x and B is equals to 2x meters. So here we have 1 meter and here we have 1 meter is there. So we can add square meters or individually also you can write. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. Simplify that, it is 1 into 50 it is 50. X plus 2x is equals to 3x. 50 into 3x, meter into meter, it is meter square. Meter into meter, it is meter square. 3x meter square. 50 into 3x. What we get is 150x meter square. 150x meter square. So this is meters will get, and here also will get what it is? Meters. Now ax we have to find. So for that what it is? 10,500 meters square. This is, and here it is 150 into x meter square. So we doesn't know this. You can keep here this 100 meters into x plus 2x. That is 150 into x into meter square. Now simplify this by, as we wanted to find x. So transpose 150 to that side. 150 to 150 meters into x meters. Here you can write this as 150 meters into x meters. 150 meters into x meters. Now we wanted to find x. That is equals to, by transposing 150 to RHS, so LHS, here is multiplying, therefore it divides. That is 10,500 meters square divided by 150 meters. 1 meter and 1 meter will be cancelled. Still we have 1 more meter. Now 0 and 0 it is cancelled. Then 5 ones are 5, so 15 ones are 15. 15 sevens are 105. 15 zeros are 0. So x is equals to what now it is? 70 meters. What is x? That is CD. That is the side along the road. What we have to find? Side along the river. That is AB we need to find. So AB is, that is x is equal to 70. That is CD is equals to 70 meters. Now AB is equals to what it is? 2 into 70 meters. That is 140 meters. 140 meters. What we have to find? The side along the river, which is nothing but AB. Therefore, the length of the side, the length of the side along the river is equals to 140 meters. So like this we will find the length of the side of the field along this river, which is 140 meters. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we'll discuss question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Octagon. Octa means 8. A polygon made up of 8 sides is known as octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sides are there, it is octagon. Then what is regular octagon? Regular octagon means all the sides are equal and all interior angles are also equal like a square. And equilateral triangle where you will find all the sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So here a regular octagon is given as shown in the figure. Find the area of this octagonal surface. As I told you that the polygons can be divided into triangles, parallelograms, rectangles, squares, and then we will find the area of the polygons which have more than what it is 3 sides are there. You see here 3, here 8 sides. Now I am going to divide this regular octagon into, this is one trapezium, and by joining these two vertices we get one more trapezium. Both will have the same area, and this is what? A rectangle. Now this regular octagon is divided into 2 trapeziums of same area and one rectangle. The side of each side of the regular octagon is given 5 meters. 5 meters. This is 5 and it is 5 meters. And this is given how much it is? 11 meters. Now how much it is? 5 meters. Now this is a rectangle. Area of this rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is 11 into 5, 55 meters square. Now this is a trapezium. Area of this trapezium is equals to half into height. It is given 4 centimeters into a plus b 5 meters and 11 meters. Similarly, this is also 5 meters and it is 11 meters. 11 meters. Now we can give some names to this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So it is divided into what? 2 trapeziums and one rectangle. The 2 trapeziums will have equal area. Therefore, area of the given regular octagon is equals to 2 into area of trapezium ABGH. 2 into area of trapezium ABGH plus area of rectangle BCFG. BCFG. Why have taken 2? Because these 2 trapeziums will have equal area. Now what it is given data you write side of regular octagon is equals to 5 meters. Now area of given regular octagon is equals to 2 into area of trapezium ABGH plus area of rectangle BCFG. Now find for this trapezium ABGH. In trapezium ABGH, what are the 2 parallel sides? AH and it is BC. This is A and it is B units. This is the height. Now substitute the formula, that is 2 into area of trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B square units plus area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth square units like this. Then substitute the values. 2 into 1 by 2 into height of the trapezium is 4 meters. That is 4 into length of the 2 parallel sides 5 meters and 11 meters. That is 5 plus 11 square meters plus length and breadth of the rectangle. Length is 11 meters and breadth is 5 meters. That is 11 into 5 square meters. Now simplify this. 2 ones are cancelled. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16 plus 4, you can multiply 4 into 5 plus 11 is 16 square meters plus 11 into 5, 55 square meters. Now 4 into 16, 16 fours are 64 square meter plus 55 square meter. Now what is the total we will get? Add both. 64 plus 55. What will get? 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. 190 square meters is the area of the regular octagon. Therefore, area of given regular octagon is equals to 190 square meters or meter square. So what is the concept here? It is the given regular octagon is divided into two trapeziums of equal area and one rectangle. Now area of this regular octagon is equals to area of trapezium ABGH plus area of rectangle BCFG plus area of that is trapezium CDEF. So here as these two are equal in area, find one trapezium area and multiply with 2, we'll get the area of two trapeziums. To that add the area of the rectangle, we will get area of the given regular octagon. It is 190 square centimeters. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Yes. With this knowledge, today's homework is homework part. So homework it is exercise number 11.2, question number 5, question number 6, question number 10 and question number 11. So this is your homework. And today what we discussed, area of a rhombus, its formula we derived and we have discussed its application, finding area, and I hope you understand today's concept. In the next class we will discuss about the solid shapes, that is three-dimensional shapes, their surface areas like cube, cuboid and cylinder. Thank you very much.